The Secrets of DNA Unraveled, an immersive and interactive exhibition that's an exploration into the very essence of who we are. The first stop on the very right is a DNA helix exhibit, an intricate model that showcases all of the molecules that are involved in the DNA helix, taking in the structure while discovering the fundamental principles of DNA pairing. The 3D model of the DNA helix used shows an excellence in its design while staying accurate and eye-catching. Each of the spheres that are seen in the helix represents all of the molecules that are used in the DNA helix. Beside it to the left is the human genome model, a visual representation that reveals the unique codes that are written for each and every single one of us. The human genome code is mostly the same in all people, however, there are slight variations across the genome. This model is a great visual representation, as along with the DNA helix, as not only is it informative, but also it's very eye-catching, and the public would be drawn towards it. Moving on are the DNA art sculptures. The the captivating works of art that seamlessly blend the worlds of science and creativity, the boundless possibilities where STEM interacts with other fields of interest, bridging the gap between science and art. Learning about STEM topics like DNA shouldn't just be restricted to pen and paper. However, it should be explored further in bridging it towards other fields of interest, such as art. For the very last activity, visitors can put their knowledge to the test with a computer simulation and 3D puzzles. The visitors can engage with the quizzes, which essentially build off of their knowledge that they learned from each of the many stations. And um, along with that, they can see the physically how the DNA molecular connections happen using the 3D puzzles along with the posters and showing what actually happens. The exhibition uses an array of props, the DNA metal sculptures, the the intricately designed human genome model, the 3D representation of the DNA helix, an interactive experience of DNA pairing through a computer simulation, along with physical puzzles. But also the importance of being able to go from each exhibition seamlessly in order, with having clear and informative boards guiding to each activity. While DNA may be a complex topic to learn for many people, however, for many young children, teenagers, adults, and seniors, they can find learning about DNA and other